Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today I'm going to show you how to trace using Krita in a simple and easy way, so you can create clean line art from any image. Step 1. Open Krita and import the image you want to trace. You can do this by going to File, then Open, and selecting your image. This image will serve as your base to trace over. Step 2. Select the Magnetic Curve Selection tool from the toolbar on the left. This tool lets you click points along the edges you want to trace, and it automatically snaps to the curves between them. Step 3. Start clicking along the outline of the shape you want to trace. The tool will create smooth, curved lines that follow your clicks closely, making it easier to get precise edges. Step 4. Once you've connected the last point to the first, press Enter to finalize the selection. Now right-click and click Cut Selection to New Layer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful Krita tutorials.